What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk Pepe, Elon Musk, and price predictions. All very exciting. Pepe right now starting to move on the day. And why is this? Well, we're going to break it down in this video and give you the latest what's going on with Pepe. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, let's smash 700 likes. You guys have been killing it recently. If you want to see Pepe break the twos, smash that like button. Let's get into it. So we can see Pepe right now. We're on the 15-minute chart, just having a nice little breakout, coming to test that 1700, which is a really important level as we start to break psychological levels at those flat numbers. Obviously, we want to see it test up 18005. It's probably my key next level of support, but we are starting to see the 9 flip bullish. We'll come back and touch this in just a second. But what is going on? Well, we know Elon Musk is at it once again. Now, he is absolutely out there being the goat that he is, tweeting like we saw about Pepe, but there is a video that is going around that also Elon retweeted that has the Pepe meme into it, and I'll show you that in just a second. But it's really interesting, and a lot of people have talked about Elon being involved with Pepe, or certainly holding Pepe. Now, whether that's true or not is for you to decide, but at the same time, we know that Elon absolutely likes to see market moves. We know that he's big on cryptocurrency, and I guess the question would be why? Given the incredible amount of hype, why would Elon tweet about this? So obviously, everyone talked about this one. This is the latest one, though, which obviously, when Twitter was bought out, we do know that loads of people went and trolled Twitter. They went and camped outside. They pretended that they were the people that suddenly got wrecked. And obviously Elon retweeted this specifically. Now, this isn't the official footage that came on the news broadcast. However, this is a doctored image, but still came out in October 29, 2022. Now, I'm just going to play this as I kind of talk, and some of you may or may not have seen it, but if you scroll on in terms of this video, what you start to see is this Pepe meme come up. So you've got to ask yourself, why right now would Elon tweet about this or retweet this to a certain degree with the Pepe meme in it? And then is that directly related to the fact we're seeing some of this movement on Pepe? I think it's very interesting, and I definitely think there is more to come with this. I think this is about Elon positioning himself to even start to look at potential use cases for Pepe. A lot of people talking about Shiba Inu being used on Twitter. We know that the new CEO also follows the Shiba Inu account. Very interesting. How does this all play out in the short term? Well, we potentially could see some market moves up, and likewise, we could genuinely see a use case for Pepe. Whether you like it or not, knocking in $500 million to $1 billion worth of volume cannot be ignored, and I think that's very important. When we take a look at what is going on with Pepe, this is important numbers here. We still see holder counts increasing, 113,000 holders currently on Pepe. And again, when we look at some of these holders, we see that Binance 133 million. We're starting to see OKX accumulate a little bit more. Likewise with some of these exchanges, Mexi, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Global. KuCoin absolutely moving up the ranks, the 8th largest on one of their wallets. Important to reference that they have a number of wallets on here. Likewise, Gemini breaking into that top 25 of holders for Pepe coin. So there is a significant amount of money invested in Pepe coin, and I guess people like Elon Musk and a number of other people would be foolish to not be certainly thinking about a business use case and how people could use it. Remember, communities behind big cryptocurrencies absolutely drive this and drive it to new investors. I think that is very important when we talk about Pepe. So a lot to talk about as it's coming on. What are the price predictions? What are people really talking about it? Well, there's a couple of interesting points right now. We are seeing whales buying into Pepe. See here, whales 0xA20 purchased 350 trillion Pepe worth $500,000. The wallet is one of the early buyers, raked in 1.2 million in profits. And again, people buying back in. That is great to see when we want to see Pepe start to push once again up to that $1 billion market cap. We also see there that OXED6 grabbed 185 trillion and also sold at the top, earning $1 million in profit. So we know that people are trading this, and they are trading it for a significant amount of money. What does that do? Generates volume, which ultimately is what we see on exchanges, and how fundamentally the Coinbase listing probably will come about given that volume. So what is the latest? What are people predicting in terms of prices? Well, the question on everyone's mind is, can Pepe reach $1, which is it's out the realms right now. It would have to have a significant burn metric sat into it. But what do people think in terms of a price prediction, and how can it really start to move? Well, look, here we go. Current price means a decline of 25% in the week, although it remains up 59% in the fortnight, by over 6,000% since it's been tracking on April 17th. So Pepe coin suggests that it could be about to recover again after a bout of losses. And when we think about losses, we've got to understand what that is, which is people taking profits. It's people, and I talk about this, retail investors being nervous about the market. Now, we saw the bottom Bitcoin 26.4 called it perfectly on the live stream, bounced up 27.3 right now. But like we said, it is relative strength indicator rising back above 40, dropping to 30 earlier this morning. While Pepe's short-term moving average has sagged yesterday, it's been a general rise back towards a long-term average boost since Friday, something which signals recovery in momentum. So what are they talking about? Well, if we come back out, probably go on the 4 hour, feels like the right thing. This trend up, MACD starting to trend in the right direction. We're now on the 4 hour, 2 nice green candles as we see this potential reversal. We did hit a bearish trend here, this reversal coming up on the 4 hours. If we come out onto the daily, we do see the 9 trending well above the 20-day EMA. So again, on the day, looks very, very positive. And meme coins having another resurgence. We see Moncoin there, 14%. And the one on everyone's mind, Milady coin starting to move as well. Got a video coming out. And Smudge, be sure to make sure you check out those. But look, the chart looking pretty bullish. The 15-minute is giving us an indication that we start to see, or potentially are going to start to see, a bit of a reversal on Pepe. Could we test the 17s? Fingers crossed we start to see that. I think it's very, very interesting. And in the long term, very exciting. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think the reason for Elon tweeting about Pepe is, and what do you think the price is going to be by the end of the week? Thank you all so much for the engagement on the videos. I really do appreciate it. We are sending Pepe back to $1 billion market cap by smashing the like button. 700 is the challenge. Let's see if we can get it. As ever, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.